Now we will see the condition favorable for the land treatment. So what are the condition for the land treatment? So without without knowing the probability which is required for the treatment of the sewage water, so they should not go for the treatment of the sewage water. Okay, so that's why we need sewage water to be, before disposing to the river, so it has to be treated. Okay, so if we should be for the knowing the exact uh, parameter, the sewage water should not be treated. So now let me go and find out what is the reason, what are the favorable condition for the treatment of the sewage water. So that's about that about the favorable reason. The first reason is when the natural river or the streams are not located in the vicinity and the land treatment is the only alternate. Okay, so there is a only alternate, so there is only one alternative. Okay, so there is no alternative uh, for the treatment of the sewage water. In such cases, we have to go for the land treatment. Unless otherwise, they should not go for the treatment. That is what the first reason. The second one reason is, when the river run dry and there is a very small there is a flow of the water, especially during the summer season, the discharge of the sewage water to such water sources or water bodies should be neglected. Okay, that should be ignorable. So that should, there is no question of the allowing the sewage water to the such water bodies, when especially during the drying summer season, or whether there is a small quantity, small flow is there in the water bodies. In such cases, it should not be allowed. That is the second reason. The third reason is, when there is a plenty of the very too much of the sandy soils are there, alluvium soils are there, soft morum is there, are gravelly available. In such cases, the land treatment of the sewage water in the sewage plants or the any other sewage, so that is the most favorable conditions. In such cases, the so whatever the soils are, whatever soils are there, that is easily erode, that you can easily erode by the with the presence of the oxygen. So it is can be easily maintainable. Okay, and easily the aerobic condition is been possible in such cases. So in such cases, the it is one of the usable condition for the treatment of the wastewater. Next is, when the whatever the climate, whatever the fourth one is a climate, whatever the climates are then arid, when the climate is arid, land treatments are being very favorable in the condition. In that condition, in that case, the land treatment can be allowed for the waste sewage water. So that is the another one reason. Next, fifth one is, when the land treatment is favorable, when there is a subsoil, when the water table, groundwater table is very at very, consider this is the ground sorry, what is this, ground level. Okay, if the groundwater table is very nearer to the ground level means, so in such cases you have to be avoided. Okay, you have to avoid it for the land treatment. Okay. So that is not the favorable conditions. So land treatment is being favored when rainfall is favored is when the rainfall is low and there is an acute demand of the irrigation of water. Okay, this is the another reason. Okay, so when the treatment is favorable, when the subsoil of the water table is very low and means very at the very deeper. Okay, so consider this is the groundwater table. So this depth of the from the ground level to the groundwater table is very high. In such cases, you can go for the you can go for the land treatment. Okay. So that is what the another conditions. Next is the whatever the land treatment is there, when the large open areas surrounding the localities, when there is a large area, okay, when there is a large area, in such cases you can go for the treatment. Okay. So the if the areas are very small, then what about the way even the areas are very small, in such cases the you have to be avoided. So this is the another reason. Okay. So consider there is a cash crops. Okay. So if there is a irrigation land, so when there is a irrigation land, then the uh, process of the treating the wastewater in a sewage, the question of the treating the wastewater very nearer to the um, very nearer to the what is that very nearer to the land treatment plant, it is very difficult. Okay. And very harmful also. So harmful for the uh, commercial crops. Okay. If there is a commercial crops, it will be hampered. So the production will be very less. Okay. So in order to avoid such risk, so it is better to treat the sewage water far away from the where there is an agricultural crash crops. Okay. So it has to be avoided. So that is what the problem. So problem that can be um, which has been uh, very frequent if the waste treatment plant is very nearer to the uh, agricultural land. Okay. So this is all the condition, favorable condition for the land treatment of the sewage water.